Hi, my name is Sinead Blackledge, and I am going to talk about dyslexia and having it. Growing up, I was the youngest of four. I was always left to myself, wasn't very social, kept myself to myself. But one thing I absolutely loved was school. Loved learning, loved the environment, loved everything about it. Then our first exam came. It was my 11 plus, and I remember to this day looking at that exam paper thinking, why can I not get what's in my head down on this piece of paper? What's wrong with me? Needless to say, I tanked, badly failed that exam. And then the names came. Oh, Sinead's thick. Oh, Sinead's stupid. And if you hear it enough, you start to believe it and you say it yourself. I still love the learning environment, so I plodded on, did my GCSEs twice to get them. I did my A levels and I resat those as well. And the thick girl got into uni. Again, struggled through that. And the thick girl got what was called, oh yeah, you got a degree, but it's not really a degree, it's only a 2-2. And I started working in a job that I actually absolutely hated, and was helping my friends from uni get into teaching, helping them with their personal statements and telling them why education was so fabulous and so good. And I remember my friend Claire said to me, Sinead, why don't you do this? And I remember saying, Claire, come on, you have to be smart to be a teacher, and I am thick as big shit, as I used to say. And my partner at the time literally looked at me and said, Sinead, stop saying you're thick, you are dyslexic. And I'm like, what is this word? What is this? And it just played around my head for about a week or so, and then Googled it and came up with this, oh, are you dyslexic test. Turned out, not only am I dyslexic, I am highly dyslexic. This gave me the courage to apply for my PGCE and to say I've been successful in teaching for over 10 years. Thinking I got through my whole education life without one person picking up I was dyslexic, and actually the opposite, calling me thick and saying that I was stupid, is something that I have said that I will never ever let happen to any of my students, because dyslexic is a thing. Dyslexia is something to be proud of, and I wear it proudly. I am dyslexic and it's part of me, and my brain works differently, and to me that's amazing.